Windows, printer driver installation instructions. First, double-click the installer. Choose Install Printer Driver and click Next. Under Port Type, select USB. Click Next. Click Finish. Next, click the search icon near the Windows button, type Printer, and open the Printers and Scanners System Settings application. Click Manage. Next, click Printing Preferences. In the first tab, labeled Page Setup, locate the Stock Name dropdown and select User 4" by 6". Note the many different options that can easily be customized. Click OK. Lastly, click Print a Test Page to confirm your printer is connected correctly. If you need any additional support, call our local service hotline.